Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this tutorial, I'll go to the extreme RAM management test comparison between the Moto H20 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So during this process, I'll try to use 20 applications. Yes friends, 20 applications. I'll try to do the RAM management test and the speed test comparison. Let's see which phone will be able to store them in the background RAM management and which phone will be having really good speed. That is what I'm going to exactly compare between these both phones. And during this process, I'll try to turn on the external RAM capabilities in the Realme X1 Max, so which is 8 plus 5GB RAM, and this Moto H20 is of 8GB RAM variant. So let's see how much difference we can actually observe between these both devices using the 20 extreme application RAM management. Just before this video, I already uploaded a video on the real Moto H20 in this Moto phone, and a lot of users, they want me to compare side by side with the Realme phone and other phones in terms of the RAM management test. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So the Moto H20 was able to boot up first, then the Realme phone, not bad. And next the Realme phone did boot up. And now I need to use the Wi-Fi connection, same kind of Wi-Fi connection I'm trying to use at this point. Let me try to open the Wi-Fi right now. So here's a Wi-Fi connection. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi connection. So both phones are connected to the 2.4 GHz and 2.4 GHz, as you can see friends clearly. So both phones are on same Wi-Fi connection. So all the apps are completely clean from the background. So far these are the 20 applications which I'll try to do the speed test and the RAM management test between these both devices. And as you can see, external RAM capability is also turned on in this device. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So first thing, I need to do one more thing. I need to forgot to clean this process manager. So deep clean I need to do it, because I need to clear everything from the deep clean. That's the one thing which I did remember, thank God. So now let's start the test. 1, 2, 3. Chrome, no problem. And next is the touch sampling. That application will try to keep this in the RAM management in the back side. And Play Store, perfect. Slightly got reloaded in this Realme X1 Max, but not much delay. No problem. Both phones were able to load very fast. I'll try to keep something maybe in the background as a RAM management. I'm trying to keep them in the background, and you can see the actual loading speeds when I'm trying to access how the apps are getting loaded with the same kind of Wi-Fi connection only. And there's a Ghana, and Ghana got first loaded in the Realme X1 Max and then in the H20. Not a huge difference, but little bit. Doom first loaded in the H20 and then in the Realme X1 Max. YouTube Music first H20 and then Realme X1 Max. Gallery, same gallery I'm trying to use. Calculator, both are kind of same, nothing much difference. And camera, both are also same. I'll try to keep the video mode. Next is a Prime Music, Prime Videos, sorry. It's a Prime Video, both are exactly same. And Amazon Prime application. So Amazon Prime application also completely same. And let's go to the mobiles and select one of the mobile phone in the background. So slightly kind of close in terms of loading speed, nothing much different. So let's see, Myntra first H20. So this is going to be really very intense kind of testing friends, because 20 applications is not a joke, and keeping them in the RAM management as well. And next is a KineMaster application. So this is another video editing application which I thought of just reviewing, just to see what is happening, so whether this can remain in the background RAM management or not. And Spotify, first Realme X1 Max, then H20. WhatsApp, same time. Speed test. In the speed test, I'll try to keep these results as a background. These are the things which I'm trying to keep in the background. Last is the DRMF info. These are the quick comparison friends between both phones in terms of the speed test. So overall in terms of the speed, both phones are kind of slightly close to equal, nothing much difference. But let's see in the RAM management, so which phone makes a difference. So stock UI versus the Realme UI. So which phone can actually keep more apps in the background as a RAM management. This is a extreme level testing which I'll try to do. That's the reason. So I'm really interested to see which phone will perform in what type of manner. I'm trying to open all the apps from the reverse direction just to double check how many apps may be there in the background. So till the one row was successful, and we are going to the second row. Second row also was successful in both phones, not an issue, as you can see exactly. They're very fast, so no problem. Still 2 rows, that means 10 applications, should not be any kind of issues. Next is level increased, 3 rows. Zoom, no problem. And Ghana, also no problem. So 15 applications right now, completely no problem in the both phones, as you can see, Realme X1 Max and the Moto H20. So perfect. Now let's move to the music. 1, 2, 3. Next is a Flipkart. Let's see the Flipkart, what is happening with the Flipkart. You go with the Flipkart application. Yes, is the Flipkart. 1, 2, 3. Boom. As you can see, not bad. And next is the touch sampling rate. Let's see whether, I think Play Store. 1, 2, and 3. Even the Play Store was in the background RAM management, not an issue. And next is the touch sampling rate. 1, 2, 3. Not bad, as you can see, friends. Next is the Google Chrome. Perfect. Google Chrome got reloaded in this phone. I think the main reason why the Realme X8 Max was able to perform really good, because there is a hidden feature which I did enable. Let me just show you. I'll try to do another video why as well. So there's a battery and which says performance mode, no performance improvement. Maybe that might be the reason why all the apps are completely in the background RAM management without even getting reloaded. As you can see the speed, how they are, even I try to access any application, doesn't matter, it's opening. So I'll test in the another video as well, friends, or make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. As you can see right now, the Realme X8 Max was able to come very close in terms of the opening the RAM management and everything. Applications completely, not an issue. As you can see, friends, all the apps are completely open in the background and they are not even getting reloaded, nothing. And he was able to perform really good in this test. Even the Canvas application, everything perfectly fine. As you can see, in fact, some apps are got reloaded in the Moto H20. So that means we need to use different settings in the Realme X8 Max. So definitely I'll try to do multiple videos on this one. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates, friends, and see in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to follow the playlist which I'll try to create. Already I created on the Moto H20, and this kind of testing is going to be really very unique on this Realme X8 Max, because this is my first time doing the speed test using no performance improvement. I think that is what making the feels really smooth, I think so, in this phone. So because just before this video I did upload on the how to save the battery life in the Realme X8 Max. I did give some tips and tricks, so maybe because of that reason I did not change it later on, but now I did realize because of that feature right now few of the apps were there in the background RAM management in this phone. So friends, in this RAM management test, the both phones were able to perform really good. As we can see clearly in terms of the 20 applications, there's nothing much problem at this point. Even the stock Android did really pretty good job. Even the Realme UI also did pretty good job in keeping this 20 applications in the background as a RAM management. That's a really good task to see this kind of heavy performance between both phones. So definitely I'll try to do more and more videos, friends. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates as well on these things. See you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. Right now, as you can see,